Oh, what a pleasant chime that is.
I am heavily armed to leave the package and back away slowly.
Hello, Amazon.com. It's me, Beau. We're coming to you with this monstrous little thing right here. But there is a battery in there, which is over 18,000 milliamp hours, whatever that is. But anyway, we just mounted it right on there. There's no sort of wiring in there, as you can tell. And we're going to try to mount it on there, like so. Okay, and now we're going to do a test with the app. And thank you so much. And Hilla right here is going to be our victim. He's going to be right there. We're going to go ahead and close out of that. And he's going to push that. We're going to go inside and look at it. Here we go. All right. Okay. Ready? All right. Let's see what happens when he clicks the doorbell. Okay. All right. By the way, it's this app right down here, the 2C. Okay. And he pushed the doorbell, and obviously the doorbell is based off of Wi-Fi. Oh, there it goes. Oh, there was a bit of a delay. There we go. Boy, that seemed like a good 15-second delay. So now we're gonna click on that, and oh. We can see him right there. It's all connected.
Is it retina display?
Retina display. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, we gotta push on this to talk with him. Hello there. Can you hear me okay? Can you hear me?
Ooh, I can hear you. Yes.
Fantastic.
Do I put my eye up to the thing here? The volume's a little low.
Oh, the volume is low, he says. So I might have to talk pretty close to this. So I'm gonna hold it up pretty tight. So go ahead and stand back as if you're, I don't know, someone trying to pitch me something.
Unlabeled, unstyled beverage here.
Oh, there we go. Fantastic.
Yes. No marketing here.
Cool. All right, we can take a screenshot. We can record. Oh yeah. Let's mess with that later. Full screen. There's that over there. Very nice. We can go back to there. As you can kind of see the speed up there, which is not a lot of speed. And okay, so there's the quick little demonstration. Do be aware that to set this thing up is kind of annoying. I have found that the #1 problem that people run across when trying to set up their doorbells is they have 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. You need to have 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So check your Wi-Fi and see if in fact it is the correct signal being outputted, because if it is not, you'll go through the whole app, the 2C app, to set it up, and it just won't pair at all. And so that's the biggest hint or tip or trick that I have. I would give this a 4 out of 5 stars simply because it's so big. If you were to try the Ring or the Skybell models, they're about half the size. Granted, there's no internal battery and it has to actually be wired to your system. And what's nice about this is that there is a standalone remote battery. But that means that every few months you're gonna have to take it off and charge it, which is kind of lame. But hey, if you don't want to wire it, this will work for you. Hopefully this small little demonstration helps in determining whether or not this doorbell is right for you. This is not an instructional a tutorial walking you through how to set it up. It's just, does it actually work? And in my experience, after trying to set it up back and forth, I think I kept mistyping the Wi-Fi password and all that. So it was kind of annoying to set up. So between 3 and 4 out of 5 stars, that's what I would give this thing. Overall, pretty good bang for your buck, quite a bit of a delay. If you want to drop another, $200 more, you are going to get what you pay for. So just keep that in mind. This isn't like Skybell or Ring quality. Ring as in R-I-N-G, Ring. So look up those if you really want something dependable. That's it. Hopefully this helps.